Welcome to Gitex 2018. We are reporting live from Avaya's stand. I have with me UK and Ireland, I should say, MD of Avaya, Ioan MacRae. Thank you very much for joining me.
My pleasure.
Tell us why are you here at Gitex?
Well, I mean, clearly you can see just the size of the event, the size of the Avaya stand. But for me, coming from the UK, obviously brought some customers and partners along. It's the perfect opportunity for them to see firsthand what Avaya has got on display, the future of Avaya, and so much as this isn't PowerPoints, this isn't smoke and mirrors, this is live technology where the customers can come and touch it, use it, get an understanding of it. It's something that they could take back to their workplace tomorrow. And as you'll see around the edges, again for the second year running up, customers from around the world are actually demoing our technology in their workspace for how they use it. So for my UK customers, superb. They can come and see it, touch it and experience it.
You mentioned the future of Avaya. Obviously you're going through a huge transformational process at the moment. What is the future of Avaya?
Well, the theme of this was very much that voice is still very important, right? In any contact center, as much as you automate it, there has to be that underlying voice. So this is very much around the voice in the contact center, but clearly about how we open up our APIs, third-party integration to automate, to give that customer experience. That's the real challenge. So you start looking at all of the case studies we've got here, all of the demos we got in. Its core is the Avaya technology, but it's the third parties. And then looking really into the future, just behind us we've got the social networking of bots, the ability for chatbots to chat to other bots on a framed network, but being able to self-learn. So machine to machine, true machine to machine learning to help improve that interaction. That stuff that you wouldn't have seen Avaya do a few years ago. It really is the future of Avaya.
And you had some quite exciting news this week with your cloud strategy moving into the German market. Tell us a little bit about that. Avaya perhaps a little bit late to the party on cloud, but what are your plans there?
Well, we'll continue. We've launched IP Office Power by in the UK, and we're leading that for Avaya globally. That's both a partner hosted and a wholesale model. So we'll continue focusing on that. We've had really good quarter-on-quarter sequential growth. On the enterprise, we'll continue with our XCaaS and our new ACP, so Avaya Cloud Private, which is all partner-centric and taking our latest technology, much you see here today, and delivering that as a true cloud capability. But as you mentioned, Germany, so Roberta is launching a new SME UCaaS platform, and it goes live now. And that really is for the sub-50, sub-100 market. So an area that I certainly want to focus on and improve on in the UK. So I'll be looking very closely and working with the German team, taking that technology. We're working a plan now to introduce it to UK Ireland. We'll launch that in the next quarter or so, and we'll be able to provide you an update. And that then gives us a complete cloud coverage from literally the single user to the highest high-end enterprise UC and CC capability.
Ioan, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much for watching. You can catch up with all the action using the hashtag #IdeasToInspire. That's all for me. Thanks for watching.